doesn't come like really. Sorry.
Is Dad flying it?
No, me. I'll check, because you know how I fixed it? I'm testing to see if my fix works. Bit heavy, but it works. Until I get the spare parts. I already bought the spare parts and waiting for them to be posted.
How much does it cost?
For 3 of the fly bars, $10 including postage. Including postage.
If it's the passion, yeah, you don't mind it. If it's the passion, you don't mind.
Ooh, I'm going out of battery. Mayday, mayday. I need to land on top of the...
Rough landing.
See if I can land with this current battery on top of the box. No, can't. That's the problem. Ground effect comes in. See, when I fly forward, Dad, it's supposed to go up because of transitional lift, but it doesn't.
There you go.
Out of battery.
It does. It does.
Joel,
Yes.
can you come and get the sweet potato?
Yep, coming.
Even a very small forward motion will do it.
But how come it was just going down though, even for the transitional? Coming, Bob. Look at this.